Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today's tutorial is based on how to view friends activity on Spotify. So the following video will help you guide on how to see your friends activity on Spotify. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the instruction correctly. So without any further delay, let us get started. So first of all, open up your Spotify application. As you open up your Spotify application, this kind of interface might appear on your device. So over here, this current page is known as home page. So what you have to do is you simply have to tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. As you tap on it, from the drop down menu, tap on settings. As you tap on settings, there are multiple options. So over here, you'll have to scroll down and look for display. Right in between, there is an option called display. And right at the bottom, there is an option called see what your friend are playing. So what you have to do is you simply have to enable it. So in order to enable it, just tap on the button which is right in the corner. And as this gray button turns into green, which indicates that this has been currently turned on. And as you tap on this button on the right hand side corner, there's a drop down menu. Go to settings and enable social, and then tap on share my listening activity on Spotify. So currently we're on settings page, and you can see that you'll have to look for socials. So under display, you can see there is social, and just slightly scroll down, and then you can see that there is an option called share my listening activity on Spotify. So currently this is also turned off, so just tap on it and then turn it on. So out here you can see this has also been turned on, but then you cannot see your friends activity. The reason is that you have not connected your Facebook or any other social media. So right on top you can see there is an option called connect with Facebook. So simply tap on it. As you tap on it, on the other side there's a login interface of Facebook. So over here you'll have to enter your email address or your phone number and password that is linked with your Facebook account. And once you're done entering your login details, tap on login, which is in the bottom left corner. Next page, there is a confirmation. So in case you want to link your Facebook account, so then tap on continue as your following username. And if you don't want to do it, so then tap on cancel. Now that your Facebook account is connected with your Spotify application, and now you'll be able to see your friends activity on Spotify. So that is how you can view your friends activity on Spotify. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.